Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it is so early in the morning. What time is it?
4:21.
It's 4:21 a.m. and I am at Darian's house right now because we are going on vacation today, and I'm actually more awake than I thought I was. Like, I thought I was just gonna like roll out of bed and like go to the car, but I've actually been up for about like 5 or 10 minutes. I got ready, I had my outfit on and everything. So what time does the plane take off?
8 o'clock.
And we're up at 4? 8 o'clock. I know you're supposed to be there early, but I literally haven't flown in like years and years, so I'm kind of nervous. I feel like I'm gonna get sick. I have a travel pillow just to have it. I don't know. We're gonna be leaving within the next 5 minutes. Darian is just finishing up packing like last minute things like toothpaste, stuff like that. My outfit for the airport is just a white tank top, some pink sweatpants, Nike Pros underneath, and I also have my fanny pack. This literally came in the mail last night. I ordered it kind of last minute, but it also came super late. It was supposed to come Wednesday. So I have things in there, like I'm gonna put my phone in there. I have my wallet, like things that I'll need and I don't want to like go in my bag to get if I'm on the plane, you know? So I have that. I also have my masks that I'm gonna be wearing because we're being safe while we travel. Yeah, we're just gonna pack up the car. I have my bag right here. If you guys are interested in everything that I packed, I will leave that video linked down below. But yeah, we are now gonna head out. Oh my god, we just parked in a parking garage and we are at an airport that's actually not the closest airport to us. We had to drive an hour away, so it is now like, what, 6 o'clock? We left at like 5.
6:20.
That's so big! What the? I don't know what I was expecting.
No, and that's when we're gonna come back on.
Oh, why did we get the one with the animals on?
Oh my god.
They have a bunch of shops here and like places to eat, but they're all closed. I don't know why. Dunkin' is open, so I might get something from there. I got an everything bagel toasted with cream cheese from Dunkin', the usual. We are now eating. We're away from everybody, so we're gonna be boarding at what time? The departure is 8:10, but to get on the plane closes 15 minutes before that, so like 7:55. We're supposed to arrive at 10:48. I have my snack. This is always like my car ride, like car trip, whatever snack. And also water. It is 7:47 right now, or 7:48.
From any bodily harm performing one or more deplaning and during the flight.
Oh my god, I didn't think I'd be nervous. There's a child on this plane. Good thing we both have AirPod Pros, so you have noise cancellation. I got all my music downloaded and ready to listen to. Oh my god, you guys, I've been watching too many Tana Mojo story time.
Read the exit nearest you, keeping in mind the closest exit may be behind you. The cabin is pressurized. If there's loss of cabin pressure, masks will drop in the compartments above your seat.
It's 11:25 and we are now heading to the car now. We just got here and this is such a nice place. I already set all of my stuff up in the bathroom. I set up my hanging organizer. I have all of my stuff that I use in the shower up top: shampoo, conditioner, body wash. In the middle is all of my makeup, and then down here is like after shower stuff like lotion, perfume. For the room, I'm just gonna have my stuff out in my bag. Like, I'm not gonna pack it in the drawers because we're only here for like 5 days. Even if we were here for a week, I didn't really unpack like that. We are at the pool that the resort has, and there's also like a miniature pool, and it says spa, so it's not like a kiddie pool. It's not like a hot tub, like hot, but it's probably warmer than the actual pool itself. There's also like mini geckos and stuff like running around. I want to try and catch one. They're so cute. So this is the outfit that I picked out for dinner, and it's just a white bow top with some regular jean shorts. I cannot make this get ready with me too long, so I will see you guys at dinner. It is way later in the night. I have not updated you guys for quite a while, but my phone actually died, so I'm now recording on Darian's phone. It's mad zoomed up. I don't know why. But we just stopped at Starbucks. I got a venti pink drink, and also I bought some really cute things at the Disney shop. As you can see by one of them, I literally spent $80, but I got him something as well. My outfit for today is a little bit like more, it's still supposed to be hot today, but it is supposed to thunderstorm. There's also like a flood warning, so I just have this tie top with capri jeans and then Converse because we're probably gonna go go-karting, and I don't want to do that in flip-flops or sandals. I took another shower because we just chilled at the pool and tan and stuff, and then we came back, so it's now around 3 o'clock, and the place that we're going to is like 25 minutes away. You already know I'm getting my money's worth out of these Mickey ears.
It's hot.
I know. Wearing my Florida necklace and also my cute ring. I'm obsessed with this. Literally adorable. We are now back, and it has been quite a long day, you guys. We did not go-karts, but we did laser tag, which was really fun. You guys saw some clips of that. We ate at Cracker Barrel. I had a breakfast, so that was really great. Pancaked eggs, bacon, stuff like that. And now we're back doing face masks, and we're gonna wrap up the rest of the night. It's like 8 o'clock or something. So I packed this rose gold mask. I've never tried it before, but it was the only travel sized one that we had. I got it from Marshall's, but again, never tried it. So we have that on now, and we're gonna go to bed after this is dried, and I will see you guys in the morning. It is the next day, and I'm starting off my morning by doing my wash. I didn't know that this place, I knew that they had a washer, but I didn't know that they had detergent, and they do. So I'm gonna wash all of my outfits that I wore so far. And then today, I think, what are we doing today? I don't even know. My hair looks literally a mess because it's like kind of humid here right now. Like the weather's hot, but it's not like sunny, you know, so it's kind of like damp out. It's still like 90 degrees though, so that's good. I'm wearing my cheetah top with black shorts and some flip-flops for today's outfit. Like, everything that we kind of planned to do was either shut down or canceled, delayed, whatever, because of COVID. So we can't really plan things out as if it was like a normal day, you know? We're shopping at the Orlando Premium Outlets, and he got stuff from Nike. I was going to, but I figured I don't need it. Update, it is now raining. We finished up shopping at the outlets and everything, and we're now eating, and I got a bunch of stuff. We're at a buffet, so that's what we're doing right now. And then after this, we're gonna go to the Coca-Cola factory, right?
Yours?
And then we're gonna try and test some like sodas from like different countries. I don't think I'm gonna like a lot of them. I'm kind of picky with my drinks. What is this one?
Tanzania.
Where's this from?
Tanzania.
Tanzania.
From Tanzania.
Tastes like Sprite.
Yeah, it smells like Sprite.
It tastes like just like Sprite.
Sprite. Ooh, wait. Ooh.
With a little like kick to the back, right?
It tastes like stale Sprite.
We all take it together.
Tastes like little wasabi. in it. Tastes like some wasabi.
I didn't even drink any of it.
Ready? Tanzania, ready?
I drank it already.
There you go.
Oh my god, it literally looks like water from Germany.
Oh, no. No.
Oh my god.
I don't like it.
No, that's not that bad. Like Windex.
Oh, no, I don't want to try
It's not
it.
that bad.
No, don't drink it, don't drink
It's
it.
not bad.
Drink it.
Oh my god, that is a lot.
Remember last year you gave me $5 for chugging the nastiest one?
Ew, which one's that?
I'm gonna find it. You gave me $5. I chugged it.
Already?
The whole thing.
Yeah. It's sugar-free zone.
No, I used to take medication that tastes just like this.
Oh, I don't like anything orange. I highly doubt I'm gonna like this.
Japan.
Ooh.
Japan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It tastes like a melted popsicle.
It tastes like them cinnamon gum. The cinnamon gum tastes just like cinnamon gum.
Ah!
Not that bad.
No one liked that one.
No, it's not hot. Okay, so I think this one's really good.
Strawberry.
This is from Costa Rica.
Yeah, this is the really
Costa
good one.
Rica. That's straight up medicine.
Oh god.
I'm not even gonna try it. I'm not trying it.
Like bubble gum.
Bubblegum. It's good right there with
It's not that
bubblegum.
bad.
It like tingles your tongue. Panama's neck.
That's good.
It's like Fanta. Kind of.
Wait, everybody gonna try at the same time.
Another Sprite.
That shit is nasty. I told you.
Oh my god.
That's straight lip
I
wet.
remember. The Italy?
That was the worst. Oh my god.
Tastes like Jello. Milk, milk.
Alright,
Milk, milk, milk.
I'm gonna give it at the end. 20.
alright, next one up is Russia.
Bad.
No, that's not bad. It's
Like,
Oh!
it's like
no, it tastes
cucumber.
like, yeah, cucumber.
Cucumber.
Drink that cucumber juice.
Here, put mine back.
You said this, what?
Spain.
I think this one's good. I think it is.
No, this one's good.
It smells like a good medicine.
It's like grape. It tastes like grape.
Oh, yeah.
That was the best one.
It smells like a chemical.
No, my stomach's starting to like hurt now.
This smells like the stuff I mop the floors with at work.
Oh, we have some more. Come on.
It's like flat water. Wait.
All right,
Flat
whoa.
water. What's flat water? It's like.
Let's try it. It smells like raspberries. See?
Oh, I hate iced tea.
No, it's good.
Let me try it.
Wait, what's Sweden? Is it bad?
Oh, I don't like tea. If you like tea, it's good, but not for me.
You don't like that one?
That was awful.
It's not bad.
See?
That was awful.
No, brew, this is good right here. This one's good. Yeah. It's like flat bubblegum.
I don't really like that one. Last one, China.
I want the Spain one.
Looks,
That's good.
it looks normal.
Oh, it's not barbecue sauce. Oh,
It literally does.
oh, no, no, no.
It tastes like
Oh,
Nope.
Yeah, like barbecue.
Nah, y'all got
it is
me.
barbecue sauce.
Nope, no, thank you.
It's barbecue sauce.
And then
It is now the next morning, and we're actually going to Wawa for breakfast. And it's like 10 o'clock, but last night I didn't really vlog too much when I came home. We played like card games until like midnight actually, so that was really fun, but yeah. It is the next morning and we're actually golfing right now, doing mini golf at this really cool place that has like super nice scenic views with waterfalls and stuff. Yesterday we didn't end up doing anything. We packed up this morning because we had to check out of our place at 10. So it's now like 11:30ish and we're just mini golfing until our flight, which is tonight. So we have all day here, but we still had to check out. I suck at golf, I really do. I always have. That's my ball right there. Oh my god.
They're sleeping. Yeah.
Wait, hold on. There's cats.
Yeah.
It's gonna be kind of loud because the water fountain right here, but we just ate at Susie's Pizza and I had like 2 or 3 regular slices. He had like, what, 7 slices of like every flavor, pineapple, like everything. And I have to keep in mind what I eat before a flight, but him, he just eats whatever. I don't even know how you have an appetite for that stuff. So me and Darian are going on the Star Flyer, which is like a really, really tall ride. It takes you up in like seats of 2 and it spins you around. And it doesn't really look that high, but it's only $12, so we're gonna do that right now. I couldn't really record up in the air because you're not allowed to have your cell phone on the ride. I tried to record some, but you can't really tell how high up it was. The ride is actually 450 feet tall, so it was pretty high. I was literally able to see the whole entire park, which was kind of scary, but it was really chill at the same time. Like, it's hard to explain. I would do it again though. We are at the airport. Everybody got their bags. We returned the rental car. So I'm now home. Obviously I didn't vlog anything on the plane or after we got home because honestly I was just really exhausted and I fell asleep on the plane and I was just so tired when I came home. I literally just crashed and I fell asleep for the rest of the night. Our flight was around like 6, so we got home at like 8 or 9, so it was like a reasonable time to go to bed anyways. Since this was a longer video than I would normally do, and it was like over the course of a couple days, it was like basically a week's worth of footage and vlogs. Some of the footage did end up getting lost, which one of them was like a 10-minute video of me in the closet talking and showing you guys about everything I got at the Disney store, and all I got was those shiny Mickey ears, the Mickey ring, and the Mickey Florida State necklace that I showed you guys, and that was it. So yeah, I did have a sit-down video of me showing you guys that, but it just didn't end up making it. Like, I don't know where it went. I probably ended up deleting it for storage purposes because it took up a lot of room, but I wasn't able to show that to you guys. The outro was another thing that ended up getting lost. I know for a fact that I didn't film after I got home because I did end up falling asleep, but I know the next morning I did make an outro. I don't know where that went, so I'm just gonna make another outro right now. But that was it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also comment down below what your guys' favorite vacation spot is. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.